everybody, it's Andrew Solani with Mobility Equipment Recyclers in North Kingstown, Rhode Island. And I want to show off this Go-Go Endurance Li scooter that is being made now by Pride Mobility. They've listened to all of our feedback over the years, and I believe they've formulated their best portable scooter to date for a lot of reasons that we're about to highlight. First and foremost is the battery pack. It is extremely light compared to your standard sealed lead acid battery pack, and I wanted to demonstrate just how light it is. So this battery pack is from a Go-Go LX scooter, and it's a 12 amp battery pack. This weighs 20 pounds. On the Go-Go Endurance Li scooter, it has a lithium battery pack, and it weighs just over 8 pounds. It's a huge difference for our customers who have tried it, have used it, and it's a back saver, you know, for somebody that can't lift heavy weights. Hugely important. It's been a huge benefit for a lot of our customers. This scooter is the same size, footprint, everything as the Go-Go LX scooter. So you'll notice it has the front shocks, it has the rear shocks in the back. It also has, you know, the same sort of looking foot platform here. It's extra wide for your feet and everything. A lot of great features on this scooter. I've highlighted a bunch already. Another one would be the headlight here. It's just a little switch right here, and you get a nice bright LED bulb headlight here. You can't really ask for much more in a scooter. If you want something that's portable, that's a little bit, you know, on the heavier duty side, again, 325 pounds weight limit, extra wide seat. It has the extra large foot platform here, for, you know, that you see on the typical on the LX scooters. But taking it apart, putting it back together, how do you do that? It's just like any other Go-Go scooter. You follow the same steps. So you take the seat off. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two, which a lot of our customers found to be the most challenging, was the battery pack. But again, it's only 8 pounds. It's light as a feather. This is hugely important. Next, we lower this front tiller down to the bottom here. Lastly, we have this feather touch disassembly. We can lift up, take the front and the rear off. This is actually the heaviest piece on the whole scooter, and it weighs about 40 pounds. So it's very manageable. It can fit in the back of any sedan, SUV. It takes up the same amount of space as a bag of golf clubs. And just like that, you're ready to start riding again. If you'd like to demonstrate this scooter in our store, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call 401-294-4111.